Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. It's me Vinith and welcome to my YouTube channel Pay to Pay. So you have already read the caption or title of this video, that is Tic-Tac-Toe in 10 minutes. Yeah, you have heard that right. So I am going to design or code the whole Tic-Tac-Toe within 10 minutes only. So before going to see the video or explanation for that video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, and if you like the video, just share with your friends. Before any delay, let's set up the Visual Studio and timer. So this is the setup for this video. I will click on this play button on this timer and start with the code here. Okay, let's start the timer here. So first I am going to initialize a board which is a list. So initialize a board of colons, that is 9 colon values for board. I am going to copy this 3 and I'm pasting that 2 more times here. Okay, fine. So here we have board and I'm declaring one function to display this board. Whenever I call this function, I need to display the whole board in a specific manner. So I'm including the pattern of printing the board. So this is the way I want the board to be printed. So first I want the first element of the board, then one horizontal vertical line, again the second element and third element. So that's it. This is the way I want the board to be printed. Wait, I will copy this and paste this 2 more times because I want the board to be printed in the exact manner how the Tic-Tac-Toe looks like, that is 3x3 matrix row, 3x3 matrix board. So now I want a third element, fourth, again fifth here. So here I want 8, 7, 6. So here I am giving a value starting from 0th index, but I am asking the user to enter the value in starting from 1. So here I am declaring one more function, that is check, to check whether any of the player wins this game or not. I am declaring two variable, one is for player 1, that is x, and another one is for player 2, o. So I am declaring if condition, if and else statements to check the probability of winning the game. If all the 3 rows of the columns are equal, then player 1 wins or player 2 wins. So this is the basic rule of Tic-Tac-Toe. So if all the values in the first row are equal to x or o, then any of the player will win the game. So I am just returning true here. Irrespective of the player, I want the function to return true if this condition passes. Again I will enter the same thing here for the second row. So the second row is 3, then 4 and 5, again 3, 4 and 5, 3, 4 and 5 here, and I want this to be p2. So then just return true here. So if this function is returning true, means either one of the player must have win the game. That's the basic rule of this function. So again I am sorry guys, will copy this whole thing here and I will paste this again. So now I want to give the third row, that is 6, 7 and 8. So I will give 6, again 7 and 8. Once again I will give the same thing, that is 6, 7 and 8. So now the horizontal probabilities are over. Now let's give for vertical, that is 0, 3, 6. 3 is already there, I will give 0, then 6 here, 3 is already there, I will give 0 and 6. So once again I am writing a else if statement for the second vertical column, that is 1, 4 and 7. 4 is already here, I just need to add 1 and 7. again 1 and 7. So the finally another vertical column, that is 2, 5 and 8. So wait, I will minimize this. Again 2, 5 and 8 is there. We'll give 2, 5 and 8 here. Again 2, 5 and 8. Okay, so now all horizontal and vertical are over. Now I need to give diagonal 0, 4 and 8. Again 0, 4 and 8 here. One more diagonal probability is there, that is 2, 4 and 6. I will give that one also, that is 2, 4 and 6. Again 2, 4 and 6. That's it, all the probabilities are over. If nothing will passes, if no condition passes in this if and else if, then I just need to return false from this function. That's it. After this I will take a input from a user to enter the name of the player. I'm asking the user to enter the player name here. So I will copy this and again paste it for second player. So wait, second player I will add enter player name 1, player name 2. Okay, I will declare one for loop here for I in range of 9, because the maximum probability of entering the position number inside the board is 9. That's why I'm taking 9 here. So whenever I is even number, I am taking value for x. So I am taking inside a function. So I will be calling this function and I am writing the recursion function here. So def input of board here. Okay, now I need to ask the user to enter the position where he wants to put his x or o. Enter the position, enter the position. That's it. I will check whether any element is present at the position before or not. So apart from colon, if any other element present at that that position, then I need to tell the user that value already exists, please enter new value, okay, fine. So I think everything is fine here. Int board of x minus 1. Okay guys, and one more thing, if this become true, I need to send the cursor to the same function again and ask the user to enter the value again. Finally I am writing else condition. Wait, I have not mentioned if, that's why it's showing error, if board. So else just return the position where the user want to enter x or o. So for that position I am adding x in this case. So and I am checking whether the player 1 wins or not. Player 1, if player 1 win, then I need to print player 1 win. That's it. I need to break this statement. So again in else condition, so I have taken input for x and I also need to take the input for o here. So I am writing the same code again. So I am just adding o wherever the player 2 wants the o to be. So that's it, just print the game over here, print over. So let's run the code and verify whether the code is working fine or not. Okay guys, let's expand this. The player 1 name is Vinith and player 2 is Vinny. So enter the position. Wait guys, let me display the board once. After entering the player name, let me display the board. So before checking if the player wins, I want to display the board position. So that's it. Let's run the code again, break the code. I will enter Winnie here, Vinu here. Fine, this is the board position. I want to enter 1 here, again at second position, again I want at fourth position, again at fifth, and finally I want at seventh position. So that's it, guys. Is showing a player 1 wins. The game is over. The time hasn't reached the 10 minutes yet. We have written the code within 10 minutes here. That's it, guys. This is the video. So I have not used much of complex thing here. I have just used the simple basic concept, that is only if and else if condition. There are only 3 functions. So one is a recursive function to get the elements from the user. So again I have used one more function to display the board values. That's it for this video. I will be back with another video. Until then, see you guys. Bye.